I want to ask you a question, and that is, what is in your life's blueprint?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Imagine standing in the presence of history, hearing words that would echo for generations, reshaping the soul of a nation. Today we revisit the immortal words of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., words that gave hope to the oppressed and called for justice for all. Stay with us as we journey through one of the greatest speeches in human history. I Have a Dream. It was August 28, 1963, when Dr. King stood before over 250,000 people at the National Mall, delivering what would become a beacon of hope. He began with a powerful reminder of America's promise. 50 years ago, a great American, in whose symbolic shadow we stand today, signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This momentous decree came as a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negro slaves who had been seared in the flames of withering injustice. But a century later, the chains of injustice still held millions captive. I have a dream that one day, my 4 little children will live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character.
I have a dream. My 4 little children one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
Dr. King's dream wasn't just a vision for Black America. It was a promise to all of humanity, urging us to build a world rooted in equality and brotherhood.
Be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. Let freedom ring, and when this happens,
let freedom ring from every hill and molehill, from every mountainside, until we can all join hands and sing, "Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last." Dr. King's words still resonate today, reminding us that the fight for justice, freedom, and equality is far from over. Together, we can carry his dream forward.
Under that, let freedom ring from Stone Mountain of Georgia. Let freedom ring from Lookout Mountain of Tennessee. Let freedom ring from every and Lone Hill of Mississippi. And when this happens, when we allow freedom, from every village and every hamlet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that day when all of God's black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles.
Thanks you for watching. Share it in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more inspiration, check out our next video on the untold stories of history's greatest inventors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.